Okay, as you can see, my pattern, I've worked it all the way down to the very, very bottom, but I still need to do, well, I have to do double this. So what I'm going to do is show you how I take everything off and move the pattern up, or move the bobbins up on the pattern. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is lengthen these a little bit because it's going to make it easier to work with. And then I want to group them together. These are really nice for when you want to move your project or go somewhere and work with other people. You can just put these on and they hold them really nice. For this, I'm going to actually use just some rubber bands so I know that they're not going to move. That should hold them really nice and secure while I move the whole project up. So that's what I'm going to do all along the bottom here. Okay, now I'm going to take off my cover. And I'm going to use this green fabric to wrap up my bobbins. I'm just taking out the pins. Pin it a couple of times so it doesn't fall out, hopefully. Okay, and then I'm going to move this over to the table and I'm going to start taking out all of the pins. And I would take this off of the pillow, but this is a brand new table and I don't want to scratch it. So I'm just going to take the pins out without having it touch the table. So all of my pins are out. I'm going to set my project off to the side on the table and reposition my pattern. So now all I need to do is bring my pattern back over, line it up, match it to the pattern underneath, and I want to place pins again for about 2 inches along the bottom so that I know that it stays in place while I'm working. Okay, that's it. Now I can move it back to my stand and unwrap my bobbins and line them all up and keep working. Along the bottom, you might need to redo some of the pins along the bottom, but that's just part of the process. It's normal.